didn't see you. Well, hello there and welcome. I'm so excited to see you today because guess what? I just got certified as an express offers agent with EXP, which means that I have access to iBuyers or investors who will buy your home and close super quickly with cash. It cuts out a lot of the headache. You don't have to fix your home up. It doesn't have to go on the market. We can get a cash offer as quickly as 24 hours after we upload the information. I cannot wait to share this information with my clients and to add even more value to what we already offer. Express offers. Gosh, I'm feeling so stressed out. I need to sell my house quick and for cash. I need to close quickly. It's in total disrepair, and all I want to do is sell it and move up to be near close to my family. What am I going to do? Well, that's strange. I was just talking about express offers, and now I'm here at the conference table presenting an express offer to a client. So here's the agreement for the express offers. Let's go through this. And then let's see if we can get you an iBuyer so that you can close quickly with a cash deal. How did I end up here? I asked for a miracle so that I could sell my house quick for cash, and I ended up in a real estate office. Well, hello. You're going to get me a cash offer from an iBuyer through express offers in as little as 24 hours? And I'm going to be able to close without doing any repairs on my property? Seems too good to be true. Where do I sign? Come on, iBuyer. I'm praying for a miracle. I hope there's an iBuyer that's ready and willing to purchase her home. I'm an iBuyer and I've got cash and I want to buy your house today. It worked. iBuyer came through. Express offer came through. If you want a quick deal for cash because you have a disrepaired home and you need to move on quickly, I think you need to call Shamika. She's got express offers locked in and ready to go. Moving closer to my family. Well, that was easy. Congratulations. Now you get to go move nearer your family. Wow, working with iBuyers does make the sales process a lot easier and a lot quicker and much more efficient. Give me a call so that we can check out your iBuyer opportunities today. How'd I end up here? I asked for a miracle and I ended up in a real estate office.